How to make 1-inch margin in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to File and then go to Page Setup. After that, you will see the section of margins in inches. In every of the section, like top, make it 1 in each of this section, like bottom, make it 1 inch in bottom, make 1 inch in left, 1 inch in right, and then select OK. And now, as you can see here, 1 inch gap is maintained in your docs. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one. How to make 1-inch margin in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to File and then go to Page Setup. After that, you will see the section of margins in inches. In every of the section, like top, make it 1 in each of this section, like bottom, make it 1 inch in bottom, make 1 inch in left, 1 inch in right, and then select OK. And now, as you can see here, 1 inch gap is maintained in your docs. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next video.